Well, howdy. My name is Millie, and I'm here to teach you all about the letter J. Let's get to it. This is the letter J. Now we'll learn what sound the letter J makes. To make the letter J sound, the tip of your tongue will touch the roof of your mouth behind your upper front teeth. You'll round your lips and let out a puff of air, like this. J, J, J. Now you try. Nicely done. Let's look at some words that start with the letter J sound. Jam, juice, jeans, jersey, jacket. Those words all start with the letter J sound. Let's say those words together this time. Jam, juice, jeans, jersey, jacket. Nicely done. Now it's time for a quiz. I'm going to say a word and you get to tell me if that word starts with the letter J sound. Here's an example. If I were to say the word juggle, juggle, and then ask you if it starts with the letter J sound, you would say absolutely, juggle does start with the letter J sound. But if I were to say the word zoo, zoo, and then ask you if it starts with the letter J sound, you would say, no, it does not. Okay, it's time to start the quiz. Here's your first word. Jar. Does jar start with the letter J sound? Absolutely yes. Jar does start with the letter J sound. Now for your second word. Tree. Does tree start with the letter J sound? No, it does not. Let's try that one more time. Here's your last word. Jellyfish. Does jellyfish start with the letter J sound? Absolutely yes. Jellyfish does start with the letter J sound. Nicely done. Thanks so much for joining me today to learn about the letter J sound. Until next time, toodaloo.